It is Crystal with Pineapple Papers, and I have the June 2026 flavors of the month. This is the Simple Stories Say Cheese Happiest Place. So you can see the 3 papers we get, and then we get 2 sheets of Walnut Creek cardstock, and then we get an assortment of bits and pieces and some foam stickers. So I'm just showing you what I got. So my foam stickers are the ones that at the top, they say happiest moment, magical. We got mini and a couple of like asterisk pieces. And then you can see my assorted bits and pieces. Now for the pattern paper kit, we get these 2 lovely papers. And then for the embellishment kit, we get a half a pack of the sticker sheet. So that's going to vary, but that is what I got for the ScrapRoom Flavors of the Month kit. This is the Simple Stories Say Cheese Happiest Place. And I am using the Freaky Fast Friday formula for this. So we need a 3x12, which I did in the yellow. Then we need a 5x6. A 3.5 by 5 and a 4.5 by 7. So I'm going to start with the 3 by 12. So I'm going to do that in this yellow paper because it's got some tickets on it. I thought that was pretty fun. So I'm going to start with that. And then I'm going to use the other side. So I'm doing the 5 by 6 out of the other side, which is that beautiful floral. And then for, I think this is the 4.5 by 7. Nope. That must be the 3.5 by 5. So this must be the 4.5 by 7. No. That is definitely 3.5 by, I think, so the other one must be 4.5 by 7. I wonder if I cut it wrong. I might have cut it wrong. Because I cut this twice for the 3.5 by 5 and realized that I did cut it right the first time. So I hope I have the right cuts. Now I'm starting to second guess myself. So I am going to use the Walnut Creek cardstock as my background. And this one came together really quickly. I just started laying pieces out and I was like, oh, perfect. Look, everything fits right on top of each other. So I am doing a very central, very horizontal layout. I have a 4x6 photo that I'm going to put in the middle. And this is not a Disney photo. So I'm just trying to show you that you don't actually have to use Disney photos with Disney collections. I mean, it would be helpful, and maybe I just need to tell my family, hey, so June's kit had some Disney collections in it, so I guess I have to go to Disney. We'll see how well that goes over. But I feel like all of the things that I used are definitely not, you can use anything in this. I really could use the mini because she's super excited and we're at a baseball game, and who's not super excited at a baseball game? I guess if you're losing really bad, maybe you're not as excited, but this is in the beginning, so we're pretty excited. So I could use the mini. I actually think that would have worked. The tickets totally work. The popcorn works. I use a title that says Happiest Moments. We are definitely happy when we're watching baseball. I do miss watching my kid play baseball. I think that was probably the most enjoyable, as much as, you know, professional baseball is exciting too. But so I'm going to make 3 clusters. I'm going to make one in the bottom left. I'm going to put 2 tickets, some popcorn, and a flag. And then above that, I'm just going to add some stars and a cloud. And then I liked the The balloon, I don't think that has anything to do with baseball, but I think it looks good up there. And then the bottom cluster has my title, which has the foam pieces that say happiest moment plus the little like starbursty bits. And then I'm going to add some stars down there as well as a little arrow, because, you know, why not? I had a couple of arrows in the die cut, so I might as well use them. From the sticker sheet, from the embellishment kit, I added some of these stars are stickers. They're not just die cuts. And the little tab at the top where I'm going to put the date. And we were in San Diego, and we watched the Padres beat the Diamondbacks. But we're not going to talk about the score. It's fine. But it was fun. We had taken, we were there on a business trip, so the employees that were with us, we took them to the baseball game. So that was super fun. And so I got my husband to take a picture, even though he was being funny. And we kind of look funny because we're like turned way around, but I wanted to have the field in the background, not like the stands behind. So I am just going to go ahead and put those down. I felt like there was a weird gap between that ticket. And so here's where I'm going to move kind of the stars around. I'm going to add the yellow one there and then just bring a red one down at the bottom. And that was freaky fast today, right? Like, I love how it came out and it came together super fast. So I do have a couple of close-ups for you. I will have links to the ScrapRoom so you can get your hands on this amazing kit. And don't let the fact that it's Disney inspired prevent you from getting it and using it on all kinds of fun layouts like this one. So that's going to do it for me today. Remember to wear your crown, and we'll see you next time. Bye.